So hello friends, so in this video I am going to explain you about the histopathology of oligodendroglioma. So stay tuned. So friends, so here I am going to explain you about the histopathology of oligodendroma. Now, so I am going to explain that is what are the structures present in the histopathology of oligodendroma. First of all, you can see that these are the cells. All these are the cells that you are seeing. These are the tumor cells. So therefore, that is the first point I have written is about the tumor cell. Now I am going to describe the tumor cell in details, and with the help of that explanation you can easily understand what is clear halo of cytoplasm and also that is the round nucleus. So as you can already see that this tumor cell is like this. First of all, that this is the tumor cell. Now as you already know that this is the center of the tumor cell, and here you have noticed that at the center that this nucleus is present, and you can also notice that the shape of the nucleus is round. So therefore I have written that the nucleus is round nucleus, and the nucleus is present exactly at the center. Now I am going to explain that is what is clear halo of cytoplasm. Now here, as you already know that in the cell that is nucleus and cytoplasm are present in every cell. As you know that is nucleus and cytoplasm are present. Now here also that is nucleus and cytoplasm are present, but here that is the cytoplasm, the portion of cytoplasm is more towards the cell membrane than towards the nucleus. That means what I want to say is that you can notice that the portion of cytoplasm that is around the nucleus is very less. So therefore that is it is lightly stained, or it is yes, it is lightly stained, but the portion of cytoplasm is more towards the cell membrane. So therefore that is the towards the cell membrane the cytoplasm is darkly stained. And since the portion of cytoplasm around the nucleus is less and it lightly stains, and that is known as clear halo of cytoplasm. Clear halo of cytoplasm. So this is the description. So now you can see that this is the tumor cell, and here you have seen that this portion is a clear halo of cytoplasm. Why? Because the portion of cytoplasm around the nucleus is less, and the portion of cytoplasm towards the cell membrane is more. So the cytoplasm is more concentrated towards the cell membrane, and the nucleus is round. So all these three things are a description of the tumor cells. Now also you can see that the calcification is present. So this is the calcification, and this is the anastomosing capillary. All these are the structures which are found in the histopathology of oligodendroma. So once again I am going to repeat. So here that is the tumor cells are found. So these are the tumor cells, and also you can notice that exactly at the center, that is exactly at the center of tumor cell, that the nucleus is found, and that nucleus is round. So therefore round nucleus. And the next important part, you can notice that in a tumor cell the portion of cytoplasm is more towards the cell membrane than towards the nucleus. So therefore that is the cytoplasm around the nucleus is very less, and it lightly stains. So therefore it is known as clear halo of cytoplasm. So this is the clear halo of cytoplasm, round nucleus and tumor cells. And also you can notice that a calcification is present and the anastomosing capillary are present. All these are the structures. Now one thing that you can notice that this tumor cell that is which has round nucleus and a clear halo of cytoplasm, it is similar to like a fried egg colonies. So therefore the appearance of tumor cell in case of oligodendroma is also known as fried egg appearance. Why fried egg appearance? because because the nucleus is round, which is present exactly at the center, first thing. And also you should know that the portion of cytoplasm is more towards the cell membrane than towards the nucleus. So therefore the portion of cytoplasm around the nucleus is less and it stains light, so therefore that is clear head of cytoplasm, and the portion of cytoplasm toward the cell membrane is high. So it's similar to, it is known as clear head of cytoplasm, and due to this round nucleus and clear head of cytoplasm, the appearance of tumor cell is like a fried egg, so therefore it is also known as fried egg appearance. So see what I have written. So that is a microscopic features of oligodendroma. So the first thing that you can see, that are tumor cell findings. As I have already mentioned, that is the round nucleus is present at the center. So here you can see that, and here also you can see that the round nucleus is present at the center. And the second is that the portion of cytoplasm is more towards the cell membrane and less towards the central round nucleus, and this is known as clear halo of cytoplasm. So see here, so this is the clear halo of cytoplasm now. And also I have mentioned that due to central round nucleus and clear halo of cytoplasm, the appearance of tumor cell is like a fried egg, as I have already explained. So this is, and this is similar to fried egg. So therefore that this tumor cell has fried egg appearance. And also that is the second point, that is calcification is present, and the third, that is anastomosing capillary is also present. All these are the, so here that is the microscopic features of oligodendroma. So friends, so as you have already seen that in the histopathology of oligodendroglioma, it is calcification is present. So in this part I am going to explain that is why is calcification present in this oligodendroglioma. So first of all, you should know that this oligodendroglioma is a CNS tumor, and this CNS brain tumor, it affects the calcium metabolism, and since this calcium metabolism is affected due to this phenomenon, that this calcium level rises and also abnormal calcium salts are formed, and these abnormal calcium salts get deposited in the damaged tissues of the brain or in the brain tumor. So due to this abnormal deposition of calcium salts in this brain tumor, so here calcification is present, and due to this also calcification is found in the histopathology of oligodendroglioma. That is. So see, it is what I have written, it is why is calcification present. So as you have already understood that the brain tumor, it is oligodendroma is there, and I already mentioned that is oligodendroma, so here damages calcium metabolism. So since the calcium metabolism is affected, so therefore that is the calcium levels go on increasing, and this excess calcium salts or calcium ions are deposited in damaged tissues, and due to these depositions of that is excess calcium salts in the damaged tissues, so here leads to formation of calcification. So this is the main reason that due to which calcification is present in the case of that is oligodendroglioma. So this is the main reason.